Hey everyone, welcome back to AutoGPT Tutorials, your friendly neighborhood guide in the AI world. Guess what? Today I have something super special for all of you. It's not just cool, it's completely free. That's right, we're unlocking the secrets to AI mastery at zero cost. You won't need to spend a dime to become an AI whiz. Stay tuned to find out how you can get this golden ticket to the AI wonderland. And here's the deal. If you stick around till the end, I'll share a tip that will double your learning speed. Don't miss out. If you're as excited as I am, drop a quick AI power in the comments below, and let's get the energy flowing. So, what's this all about? There's a new course on the block, and it's all about large language models, or LLMs for short. These big brains of the AI world can write poems, crack jokes, and even code. And with this course, you'll get the inside track on making them do just that, for you. Have you ever wished you could just tell your computer to do something and it understands you like a friend? Well, that's what you're about to learn. Imagine the possibilities. It's like having a genie in your laptop. This course isn't just a quick tour, it's a deep dive. From crafting clever prompts to tuning your AI for top-notch performance, it's packed with goodies. You'll learn how to fine-tune these AI giants and even build your own applications. We're talking custom chatbots, smart content analyzers, and so much more. Think of it like learning to cook. You start with basic recipes, but before you know it, you're whipping up gourmet meals. That's the kind of chef you'll become in the AI kitchen. Now let's talk details. This course is like your AI Swiss Army knife, showing you all the cool tricks. Module by module, you'll discover the magic behind the screens. You'll start by learning how to ask AI the right questions. That's prompt engineering. It's like knowing the exact words to get your friend to bring you a coffee, just the way you like it. And who likes to wait, right? You'll learn how to speed things up by fine-tuning your AI to get you results faster than you can snap your fingers. Fast, accurate, and ready to go. Your AI will be on its A-game. Every superhero needs to practice their powers, and that's what you'll do here. Build a chatbot that could win a chatterbox contest. Detect clickbait like you've got a sixth sense. By the end of this course, you'll have projects that you can show off to friends or even at job interviews. Ever dreamt of having a secret weapon for your resume? These projects are just that. They're real, they're impressive, and they say, "I've got skills." Think AI is all fun and games? Well, it's also about making smart, responsible choices. You'll tackle the tough stuff, like privacy, security, and making sure your AI is fair and unbiased. It's not just about building AI. It's about building AI that does good. Imagine being the one in the room who knows how to keep AI in check, making sure it's used for good. That's powerful, and that's what you'll learn. All right, we're at the finish line. This course is your ticket to the AI Elite Club, and it's free. You can go at your own pace, and you don't need a math degree to jump in. All it takes is some basic Python and a dash of enthusiasm. So, are you ready to embark on this AI adventure? Click the link in the description, sign up for the course, and let the fun begin. And remember the double speed learning tip? Here it is. Teach someone else what you learn. That's right. Solidify your knowledge by sharing it. It works wonders. Thank you for joining me on AutoGPT Tutorials. If you enjoyed this video, smash that like button and share it with anyone who'd love to ride the AI wave with us. Subscribe and hit the bell icon so you don't miss any of our AI journeys. Catch you in the next video, where we'll continue to make AI simple and fun for everyone. Keep learning, keep creating, and see you online.